Hello friends, today I am going to discuss a new topic, that is Dakchin. Recently, India has organized Global South Summit 2nd. In this summit, our PM said the word Dakchin. In the point of view of VT, the word Dakchin is important. Let's start. What is Dakchin? Dakchin is a global center for excellence for Global South. A global center of excellence for Global South. Dakchin inaugurated for development and sharing knowledge. Almost 125 countries are member of this Dakchin. China is not part for Dakchin continent. In continent Latin American means Brazil, Argentina, Latin American countries, Brazil, Argentina, Jamaica, etc. are the part of this organization. Also, African continent and South Asian countries such as India, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Thailand, etc. are the part of this organization. Australia is not part of this organization. Australia is not part of this organization. For this, in this topic is also related for Global South. Let's know what is Global South. Global South word given in 1969 by Carl Oglesby. Carl Oglesby. What is Global South? Global South, the word difference between colonial countries such as India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, etc. and Western developed country. Global South countries aim to not create difference between rich country and poor country. Not difference between rich and poor countries. Also, its principle is follow rule of equality. Thank you.